How to send photos and messages on Android. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can send photos and messages on Android. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now let's jump right in. To send photos and messages on Android, first locate your Messages app. After you do that, open it up. After you open it up, what you'll need to do is start a conversation. You can tap on Start a Chat right here or find the person that you want to send a message from your direct message section. So head over to a chat. From there, you can select an existing photo from your gallery or take a new one with the camera. So tap on the gallery, the image icon on your text area. And now all you have to do is select an image. So select an image from here and then tap on Done. Then tap on MMS and send the image. Now keep in mind that you will be charged for the message that you send, so just wait for it and send it. And that's how you send photos and messages on Android. Thanks for watching. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, leave a like down below and stay tuned for more.